Hello, guys. Welcome back. This is day, I don't know what, I think 5 or 6. And I started to populate the scene a little more with some animals. And as you can see, I downloaded a free wolf model that I ended up not using, to be honest, because it was just the rough mesh and I had to, with textures, and I had to rig it and animate it, which I thought I'm going to be able to do, but turns out I pretty much suck at animating. So I ended up downloading a free asset pack from the Iron Engine marketplace, or the Epic Games marketplace, which is just awesome. It has wolves and foxes and stuff, and with a lot of animations. So I ended up using that one. It was full free. So this is where I made the blueprint, and I kind of just try to copy the logic of the mannequin blueprint, because that works fine. So I just figured, why not just make something similar. So it was pretty easy, and I made a wolf here, and I made a fox here as well. So now I have wolves and foxes in the game, and they are really cute, and I really love it. So basically, this is what I did. I just added foxes with some basic logic and wolves with some basic logic. And later on, I obviously going to work on it. So it's going to be a bit more complex than just running around and stuff. And after that, I made a seamless landscape material with some like noise blending stuff that I don't really understand, to be totally honest, but it works and it looks seamless. I played around and tried multiple variations of materials, not materials, textures that I can blend together, but it was like really spotty, and the color differences were just too big that I ended up trying to solve, but I couldn't really. So I just scrapped that idea and went for only one texture. So later on, I can still work with this. And I also added a distance field to the landscape. So now everything is grassy, but wherever you build something, it's going to have the dirt underneath it. So you're not building on grass. Obviously, you're building on dirt because you had some constructions going on. And after that, I downloaded this stylized nature pack here, which was also really convenient because it's again free. It's stylized, which is the style I'm going for, and it's a lot of free models. I ended up just using them because it's just so crazy how many free things you can get from the Unreal Engine Asset Store, and it's just they look really nice. So now I have trees as well. The thing is, and like basic foliage. The thing is that I didn't really know how to make this procedural, which I'm obviously aiming for. So now I looked into it and I found a really cool way to spawn foliage on layers in the landscape material, and ended up trying to use the same things with the trees. That I couldn't really do that because you can't spawn actors, but I have to spawn actors because I have to be able to interact with them. So I figured out another thing with like a bunch of YouTube tutorials, and I actually made a YouTube tutorial about this that you can see and will be uploaded after this video. So now if you're interested how I made a forest here procedurally, that the trees are actors, so as you can see, my little guy here can interact with them and do like sort of things that you tell them to do with the tree, then go ahead and check that video because it's just really good. It's a volume system, and the trees, these actors, are going to spawn in that volume procedurally on the landscape. So that's it basically, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.